I'm Daphne Carter, Head of Schools for KIPP Houston Public Schools, as well as a member of the V-STAR Board of Directors. The greatest challenge that we face in education today is that our students enter the elementary school excited, invested, and engaged. They're excited about school and they want to stay in school and do well. That usually tapers off by the time they reach the middle school and is almost non-existent at the high school level. And so we need programs, mentoring programs for our students that will keep our young ladies as well as our young men invested and engaged and excited throughout middle and high school.
Virtuous Star Inc., also known as V-STAR, was founded in March of 2010. Since its inception, we've been able to reach over 2,500 girls through our dance, mentoring, or etiquette component. These girls are able to learn an array of things. Our dance camps, our dance clinics, our mentoring and etiquette sessions are one like no other. V-STAR is the place to be for young girls.
V-STAR is fun. V-STAR is exciting and a place to be for all girls, even little girls and big girls. I do still want to be in V-STAR. Even when I get older, I still want to be in V-STAR.
Virtuous, sophisticated, talented, amazingly remarkable. Our organization was founded on Christian principles. The Proverbs 31 woman is implemented in everything that our organization does. We understand the need to ensure that our girls are not only mentally rooted, but spiritually rooted. And through Virtuous Star, we're able to teach these girls these principles.
My name is LaRonda Jones. I have one daughter, Queen Jones. She is my only child. Queen was not as outgoing, and her confidence level and self-esteem, I wouldn't say was low, but it wasn't very high. And V-STAR helped her build confidence and character traits that I didn't see in her before. V-STAR has been very helpful for Queen when she needs someone to talk to. I really need them, and she does too at this time in our life. So I really don't know where we would be if we didn't have V-STAR right now.
We had a group of young ladies who were moving from the middle school to our high school next door, and in their 8th grade year started to face all the challenges that middle school students face. Had failing grades inside of the classroom, were not invested at all in school. Also outside of the classroom, these young ladies had discipline issues. As a result of becoming part of the V-STAR program through mentoring, as well as some of the young ladies engaged in the dance component, we actually started to see their self-esteem grow. We started to see their performance inside of the classroom improve. And we saw their character and their discipline outside of the classroom become models for the students in our younger grades. And so that living testimony, those students, are evidence that programs such as V-STAR and V-STAR in particular really works.
I've been a part of V-STAR for 2 years and it's been a wonderful experience. I like going to V-STAR because the teachers are always happy to see you. I was so excited when I heard I had won a scholarship, and I think I have done wonderful and amazing things with it. I think all girls should try out for V-STAR. I try to keep my grades up and do the right things because I know that's what they expect from me. Thanks to V-STAR, I'm getting the opportunity to build a strong foundation. They see all young ladies as virtuous, sophisticated, talented, amazingly, and remarkable because inside we are and they bring it out.
We understand that there is a need, and as a result, there is V-STAR. I am V-STAR.
I am V-STAR, and you can be V-STAR.
I am V-STAR, and you can be V-STAR.